Stop recording video. Button.
Hi, I'm so excited. I said to Freddie, said, have you got any lettuce, Mum? So I said, no, we just need Tesco. And I went, oh, the things will be reduced about now. So he said, do you want to come? So I put my coat on, got in the car, went to Tesco. And when we're going, we kind of were like that. Quick, just make it to, we go to the one on not Market Street, on High Street. Hurry up, Freddie, don't look conspicuous. And we're like walking dead fast to the reduced. Freddie went, oh, Mum. And the girl came up and said, Annie, everything that hasn't got a label on, you can have for 40p, said at first. They said 30p about it. Freddie, what's that? I was like, I'm like that. I love this, I love that. Freddie put loads back, but let me show you what I've got. 30p. A chicken, 30p. I'll move my cup and saucer. Another chicken, 30p. I don't know what that is, but Freddie wanted it. We don't normally buy stuff like that, but 30p. Ooh, getting good. This, I think that's chicken, 30p. I'm all excited. I'm not sure what that is, but that was 30p. Things like vegetables. Oh, there's another one of those packet things. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, but I not got it because it's a ready-made meal. 30p anyway. I won't be eating that rubbish. What else we got? Lettuce, 30p. You got it. You got it. You got it. And he's got the bargains and some nice cakes. I'll show you what they look like. Oh, 30p. I'm not supposed to eat cakes. Oh, what are they? Oh. Mmm. 30p. Mmm. 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 Oh my god. Got some nuts, but not too more. Our cake's coming out here. What else? Some salad. I think it's a fetish salad. I'm not sure. 30p. Some more cakes. I think they're chocolate eclairs. 30p. Oh, and sushi. Sushi, isn't it? Sushi, sushi, sushi. So, come on without, come on within. You'll not get bargains like the mighty Quinn. Had to pay full price for this. Gutted. Anyway, going to put all my bargains away and finish my cream cake off. For you cream cake lovers, look at that. Mmm. 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 Beauty. Oh, curry's on better. Mmm. Don't speak with your mouth full.